Here I have OnePlus 3 and let me show you how to use Do Not Disturb mode on the following device. So basically at the very beginning let me show you how to easily switch on Do Not Disturb. Let's just use this switcher right here, and as you can see you can here choose the silent, Do Not Disturb or ring. In my case let me choose Do Not Disturb, and as you can see right now the Do Not Disturb icon pops up right here. So let me also customize Do Not Disturb. Let's open the list of all applications, choose settings, choose alert slider, let's tap on Do Not Disturb, and here you can handle with repeat callers, event reminders, notifications. You can also, for example, allow some calls from some favorite specified group of people, and you can do the same thing with messages. So basically that's it. If you would like to disable this mode, let's use the same switcher right here, and now you can use your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave a thumbs up under the video.